Before iced coffee was cool, before the Frappuccino, there was Mrs. Harris and her Coffee Frappe recipe, straight out of the family recipe box, and we're going to show you how to make it.
On Recipe Box Rewind, where we bring old family recipes
And memories.
back to life.
All right, let's check out the recipe card. 1 gallon ice cream, 1 quart coffee, 1 pint serves 35. Does anybody have a really big bowl we can use?
And it says serve in punch cups without spoons.
Because you want this to be a sippa after supper. And who has 35 spoons?
Not us. So we're not going to make 35 servings. On screen is the recipe for 8 servings, which we're going to make today.
So let's start making the coffee. We're going to make 4 cups, but only use 1 cup in the recipe.
So after we add the water in the scoops,
we're going to let this brew.
And then pour out 1 cup. Super easy.
All right, we'll put it in the fridge, and then we're going to let it cool.
While the coffee is cooling, we'll add 1 quart of ice cream to the bowl. You know, Starbucks kind of started the Frappuccino craze in the 90s, but this is how I imagine you made a coffee frappe in the 60s and 70s.
Yeah, or at least how Mrs. Harris made it back then. For the whole church.
Are you serious? Do you have to?
Yes. Yes, I do. So out of the fridge comes the coffee, and we're going to pour it over the ice cream. And then we're going to start to stir and knead and mix it all up.
Oh, it's like mixing secrets and gossip all together at a church luncheon.
You never know what's going to be in there, those secrets. So tell me, who is Mrs. Harris?
Oh, Miss Harris. She was super nice. So great. What a wonderful friend of my grandmother's down in Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Tuscaloosa, home of Alabama football.
Roll Tide. Woo! Well, my grandmother and her friends would gather for social hour in what they would call, get this, the Hookin' Club.
The Hookin' Club? Oh my gosh, we're going to have to hear more about that.
Yes, I'll tell you a little more. But first, it's time to fold in the cup of whipped cream.
Got to do that folding. All right, back to the Hookin' Club.
Okay, the Hookin' Club is so awesome. It's an afternoon of socializing with the ladies. They gossip. They, knit, they cross-stitch, they talk about their ailments.
Yes.
They have a little lunch. It is such a hoot.
It sounds so delightful.
It is so
The
fun.
Hookin' Club, so delightful.
Now look at that swirl.
Careful, one more turn, and that could become the name of our new rock group.
Seriously, Bill? Come on, dude. Really?
Had to do it. Had to do it. All right, now that we're done with the recipe, and look at this beautiful punch bowl.
We're not only rewinding back to this recipe, we're rewinding back to my grandmother's punch bowl and punch cups.
Absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Beautiful. So just fill up your bowl with the frappe.
And we'll see you at the island. Oh, is that really?
Wow. Well, it's super great. I love it.
That is so fun.
So delish.
It's coffee forward yet fluffy, fun to drink.
Fun to drink, yes, but you know what? Little fancy.
It is fancy.
We got some fancy punch cups here, and we found my grandmother's punch bowl, and it's so fun because it calls for serving in your punch bowl cups.
What's great about this is not only did we bring the recipe back, we brought your grandmother's punch bowl back too. It's kind of like a twofer on this Recipe Box Rewind. How cool is that?
I love it. I love it.
I'm so happy that we found this recipe from Mrs. Harris in the recipe box. We had a ton of fun making it. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure that you like and hit subscribe and ring that bell so you get every episode on YouTube. And if you want to share a family recipe with us, you can do that at letscook@recipeboxrewind.com.
Because Bill,
Yes, Randal.
these aren't just recipe cards.
They are not. They are memories and a little slice of the way cooking was way back when.
Yeah, and you know what? I might just add one little thing.
Yes.
Just maybe next time, I
Yes.
might just sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. I think that might be kind of good. You can add whatever you'd like on top of your frappe. Very simple, very simple. And hey, everyone, you never know what we're going to pull out of our recipe box next time.
So come back and find out. Cheers.
Cheers.